Hey guys, my name is Kelly. I am a full-time reseller. My Instagram and Poshmark are both rebel_rose_co. So today I'm doing a quick thrift haul. It's pretty small, but I have some really good items. Just wanted to show you guys them before I inventory them. It's a collective haul, so these are from a bunch of different places. I was wondering if you guys could vote in the comments. Do you want to know my cost of goods? I was sharing them and then someone told me that I shouldn't share them. So if you guys could comment down below and tell me if you want me to share my cost of goods or if you feel like that's not something to share on the internet, to know what you guys want to hear. So if you could give this video a like, a comment, that really means a lot to me. It tells the algorithm that you're watching my video, and if you want to subscribe, that would mean a lot to me too. My goal is to get to 1,000 by the end of the year. So we're going to start off with a little purse. It is Kate Spade. I have a blazer by this brand, but I think that's the only thing that I've ever found, and that's Kate Spade Saturday. So it's just a white little crossbody bag, striped on the inside. It's super clean, and the only flaws are there's like discoloration on the back, probably from rubbing against someone's clothes, and a little bit on the front. The straps are adjustable so they can be taken off. So I think this, I'm going to put, I think this is the same bag that I looked up, so if it is, I'm going to put a picture here. I think it retailed for over $300. I paid a couple bucks for it. I don't know the resale value. It's pretty small and it does have some wear, so we'll see, but it was cheap, so I picked it up. I'm trying to learn more about bags. I don't sell a whole lot of bags. This next item is really pretty. It has no brand and no size, but it's this blue like midi dress, and it has this gold metallic sequined floral embroidery. It's very pretty. It reminds me of like Indian dresses. So yeah, there's no size or anything, but it's just very intricate and very pretty. So, and at the bottom it has this. Oh, it just looks so pretty, so I picked this up based on style. I don't know anything about it. Next item is just J. Crew. Also, if you hear a sound in the background, it's so hot I have to have my AC on or I literally won't be able to film this video. This gave me Lily Pulitzer vibes. It's a strapless dress, which I know this isn't really like in style, but it just gave me Lily Pulitzer vibes. It has little bows and it's a sailboat pattern. Hopefully someone will want that. Next, this is still on a hanger because I have to list it. This came back from Thredup. Once again, oh no, there's discoloration. You can see in the light right here. Oh, well, this is Eileen Fisher 100% silk tank top. As I say in every video, Eileen Fisher does amazing on Thredup. Okay on Poshmark, but I don't have any Thredup labels right now, and I'm getting like my rejects or stuff that didn't sell. So this came back to me. I guess it has some discoloration. I don't think I sent it in with any, but I don't know. So we'll see how that does. I still have to list that. Next is Vera Bradley. I think I've only picked this up one time before. It was a black quilted crossbody bag, and it sold for like 30 bucks right away, I think. 30, 25, something like that. It's just a makeup holder. I did not realize that Vera Bradley like retailed for so much. So I think I listed this for like 30. It's the Plum Petals print, I believe. It has plastic. Yeah, it was like $1. That's why I picked it up. I don't know if I would pay more because I don't know how much I'll get for this, but yeah. Okay, next was a little sad. So this is a pair of Free People Movement yoga pants, leggings. There's the tag. They feel like neoprene. They're like thick, like scuba. So I was like, cool, Free People Movement. And I paid a couple bucks for them, and then I got home and I looked at the back. It's so pilled. So pilled. And I used my D-pillar on it, but it's like, there's no fixing this. So I'm listing them anyway, but I don't think I'm gonna get very much for them. I think I'm gonna put them in part of my 3 for $30 sale. This is Twiggy London. I hadn't even looked up comps on this because it said it's cotton, cashmere, and wool. It's so soft. It says New York. I just thought it was really cute. It's very lightweight and soft. I picked it up just because I thought it was cute, and it's like cashmere, but then I realized comps were not that great. It does have some minor spots. I don't know if you can see, but I think this is really cute. I'm gonna list it for like 30, 35, because the spots are like honestly so minor. So yeah, we'll see how that does. This bag, I think I might have mentioned this in another video. So I photograph my items and then I film a haul and then I list them once I film the haul. So I think I filmed the haul and then this ended up back in a pile of things to photograph. I'm not sure, but I'm almost positive that I've shown this before. It had no brand, but it said B Italy. It's this really cute like messenger bag. I don't know if there's a tag, but I'm pretty sure it's genuine leather, but there's like no brand. Yeah, but it's really nice, so I need to do a little more research on that. Okay, next. This has been sitting in my house for years. So when I first started Poshmark, I bought a bunch of stuff from the wholesale market or whatever in Poshmark. That is literally the worst thing that you can do. They're priced way too high. I did not make my money back. I lost a bunch of money and I was stuck with a bunch of stuff, but it started because I had bought from the brand Ida Kabur on the wholesale market, and they had some really cute stuff. I bought these gorgeous bracelets, but they just were not selling because it was like not like a known brand. So they ended up sending me this for free. They like emailed me and were like, will you sell, I don't know what they even said. Yeah, they just sent this to me for free, I think to get me to buy more stuff from the wholesale market. So it's new with tags, Ida Kabur, I think that's how you say it. And I never listed it because I don't know why I don't like selling jewelry, or I'm not good at photographing it. It's just like this chain kind of necklace. It's pretty cute, but I think it retailed for like 100 or something, but I don't even know what it's made out of. So yeah, I'm gonna need to do some research. One tip that I can give if you're a new reseller is do not buy from the wholesale market on Poshmark. They're not wholesale prices. Okay, next is Banana Republic. This is not a brand I pick up a ton of, but this was really cute. So it's like a light blue dress and it has like a trumpet drop waist skirt. I just thought it was so cute. So I think this will sell. I feel like some brands you just need to find cute stuff, but yeah, this is super cute. So I'm super excited to sell that. Okay, the next item is Fossil. Again, I don't sell jewelry bags very often. I think bags, I just don't like cleaning them. It just grosses me out for whatever reason. Same as shoes. Jewelry and bags I just don't know a lot about. So I don't think I ever sold Fossil, honestly. I just kind of skip the bag section when I go to the thrift store just because I don't know anything. So it's really clean inside though. I'll pick stuff up if it's clean. I don't know why I don't like picking up purses that are not clean, but this is in pretty good condition. Next is a Theory blazer. Navy, 100% wool. This brand does well on Thredup. Again, I don't have any labels for Thredup. This will probably sit on Poshmark, but whatever. I just got this back from Thredup and I realized it has these like bumps. I don't know if you can see. Does anybody know what that is? It's just like bumps on the fabric. It's not really noticeable unless you look up close, but I don't know. It's just, I've never really seen, it reminds me of those like slub style t-shirts, but this isn't that. It's just like random bumps, and then there's a small spot because Thredup always sends my ship back with spots on it. That's a story for another day. Also, Thredup video will be coming. Maybe today I'll film it, put on makeup for the first time in forever, and I'm trying to film a bunch of videos, but it's just so hot. Next is another one that I have questions on. It's Armani Collezioni, I think that's how you say it. This brand is like an off-brand of, or a diffusion brand of Giorgio Armani. Again, this was listed on Thredup for like over $200, didn't sell. It's a blazer, it has shoulder pads, pinstripe. So at first I thought this was a flaw, but then I realized, okay, so it's like draped in the front, and then there's this, and I thought that a thread got pulled, but then you look and it's sewed like that, but only on one side. And it doesn't look right, but somebody sewed it like that. And it's like, was this factory made? Did some random person just sew it? Yeah, I don't know. So if anybody knows. I don't know anything about that. Okay, next is Lululemon. I'm also confused by this piece. Everything in this haul is confusing to me. So it's like striped, but the stripes are like on the inside and they're very faint on the outside. There's a pocket. I was confused because the back has this, the Lulu down here, and there's no size tag in the pocket, but I'm confused by this. So yeah, but there's the tag. So yeah, I don't know. Lots of confusing pieces today. Okay, 2 more items. Next item was not something that I've ever picked up. It's, I think, a pair of motorcycle pants. The brand is The Leather Shop, made in the USA. It says Sears, 99.999% sure this is vintage. These are basically like super thick leather pants from Sears from long ago. Do have like a little bit of loose threading at the seam, but yeah. Again, I'm gonna have to look these up a little more. They were cheap, and I knew that they would do okay because they're leather. Okay, and that's it. If you watch the whole way through, that means a lot to me. My watch time is also very important, so if you watch until the very end, that really helps my channel a lot. If you could give this video a like, a comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.